Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the project so you can code immediately. Once Visual Studio and the NET workload are installed, create a new project and pick Console app with chash. Make sure you select the desired NET target so libraries match. After creation, open Program. CS and confirm the startup project. Save the solution in a folder and initialize Git if you want version control. This prevents lost work and makes iterative changes safer as you continue. You now implement functionality and verify behavior. Start by editing main, add console, write line and simple variables, then wrap logic into methods to keep code readable. Use using directives for namespaces and install extra packages via NuGet when you need external APIs. Set breakpoints and press debug to step through execution. That shows variable states and call flow. Once satisfied, switch to release build and run without the debugger to test real-world performance, and you finish by running and packaging your app for others to use. Run with Control plus F5 to see output without the debugger, then use Publish to create a distributable. Pick self-contained for standalone executables or framework-dependent to reduce size. Commit changes and tag versions in Git. If something goes wrong, read the build errors line by line. Most issues are missing NuGet packages, mismatched target frameworks, or simple syntax typos. Restore packages, adjust the target framework, and rebuild to resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.